Hello everyone and welcome to Animal Crossing New Horizons. Isabel here. And how is everyone doing today? Hi Isabel, hello, nice to see you. Hi Isabel, hello to you too, nice to see you. Hello Raymond, hello Captain, and hello Brendan, nice to see you too. Thank you. I guess we can start now, huh? So, I hope you're all ready, because I might actually go ahead and open up the gates now. Oh yeah, by the way, it looks like it's snowing too. Have you noticed? It's like already snowing on my island. How nice is that? Hello! Anya. I think that's how you say in Korean, isn't it? It's like hello. Good morning, everyone. I don't have any big news to share. Oof, another one of those days that chills you right to the core. Which means it's a perfect day to go outside and play in the snow. Venture into the cold and check out for snowballs. It's big enough that you can make a snowball. Very nice indeed. A parade of snowballs. MystFro, I'm here. Glad to see you here, Brendan. Anyways, I probably should check my mail, huh? What do I have in my mail here? Oh, a bell. What else is there? You know what, I might decorate my island first a bit, and then we'll get started on the, online. Think of Nook. Oh, I see. Anywho, let's see, what did I get in here? Oh, look at that, I actually have presents here. I haven't even bothered opening them yet. A dog block flooring. What's this one? A piece of apple juice. And mom's hand knit sweater. Oh, these ones are a thing box. Oh yeah, this one's the black one, isn't it? Yeah. And then here's the squid here. What should I do? We do have them in the description for you to go to, so yeah. Hi Aaron, welcome to your island. The characters are so cute in this game. Well, I guess I can agree with that, yeah. Hi Isabel, hello Edgar, welcome. It's nice to see you. Ariel is not letting me in because someone doesn't have their Nook phone on airplane mode. Huh? Oh, hello Aaron, welcome to your island. Thank you for joining. Oh, snowflake graph. Interesting. Krennic's already saying that because people are trying to come. Oh, yeah. I think we do have a lot of, people joining now, don't we? From the looks of it, yeah. gender here. So, yes, yeah, MystFro is male and Isabel is female. Yeah. See, that's the difference here. I am female, but MystFro is male. Yeah. Let's see. A checkered muffler. Oh, I got a muffler. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Hey, it's pretty cold, isn't it? I guess we'll have a check and see what it is here. Oh no. I guess I'll wear it. Yeah, it's alright. I didn't realize, that was gonna happen now, so, it looks like I'll wear it on top, unfortunately. Actually, yeah, there you go. Our Libra scale. Okay. Oh yeah, if you haven't already, we do have a Discord and Twitter, so if you like, you can support, not support. You can follow or join Discord or Twitter, they're in the description, of course. Is there any last words for end off, or not really? Funny vibe, Isabel, I am sorry, low. No, that's fine, yeah. That's okay. Anyways, yeah, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for joining the island. I think you all had a wonderful time. And I hope you all have the loveliest of lovely days. And, yeah, I guess we'll see you next time then, huh? The end! Yeah. Anyways, yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope to see you all again soon. And yeah. I'll see you all next time then, huh? The awkward ending to the stream. Oh my. Anyways, yeah. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye everyone. Goodbye. Farewell. See you again soon.